Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Aida Montero Mondala. I'm 39 years old, married. I have 3 children. I graduating for the high school. I have my 3 children for 1 daughter and 2 sons. The age, ma'am, is 20, 18, and 16 years old. I have experience, madam, for the Dubai, for the housemaid, for the caring newborn of baby, ironing, wash the clothes, clean the house, cooking, and car wash, and marketing, ma'am.
When did you go to Dubai?
I go to Dubai, madam, for the February 2010 until January 2013.
And how many were there in the family?
3, ma'am, my mom and twins.
How old were the twins?
Newborn of baby, ma'am.
Newborn,
sir.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and also, did you work somewhere else?
Yes, ma'am. I working also, madam, for the Qatar, for the caring also for the newborn of baby.
Okay, and when did you go to Qatar?
I go to Qatar, madam, is May 2013 to April 2013.
Okay, how many family members?
3, ma'am. My sir and madam and the
Newborn.
newborn, ma'am.
Okay, and you have 3 kids, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's going to take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
Take care for my children, madam, is my husband.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong, madam, because I want to help for my family and I want to pay for my education for my children for the college, ma'am.
Okay. And are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about taking care of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of big dogs?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you sing one children's song?
Yes, ma'am. Rain, rain, go away, have again another day. Rain, rain, go away, little big baby, have to pay. Rain, rain, another day.
Okay. And what is your message to your future employer?
Ma'am, sir, please can help me because I want to go to Hong Kong for the working to Hong Kong because I want to help for my family and I want to pay for education for my children for the college. I will promise, ma'am, I will take care for your family and I do my best and I promise, ma'am, I will finish my contract.
Thank you very much, Aida Mondala, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.